Apache Airflow. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Installation before dependencies applications. First install Docker, second WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux. Desktop Windows search box lo turn Windows features, enter. First option, turn Windows features on or off. Select middle section lo mouse scroll down. Virtual machine platform. Future left side box tick mark set. Second one option, Windows subsystem for Linux. Left side box tick mark set. First option, OK, click. Windows features starting for required files. Windows completed the required changes. Restart now. Click. Desktop Windows search box lo CMD, enter. First option, command prompt, select WSL, enter key press. Keyboard any one key press, enter key press. Windows subsystem for Linux, Windows first button, yes, click. Downloading Windows subsystem for Linux. Installation latest version 2.6.1. Downloading process start 0 to 100%. Downloading process completing until wait and here few minutes. Installing WSL. The operation completed successfully. Desktop browser open. Google search box lo Docker, enter. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display docker.com. First option, install Docker desktop. Select Docker docs official redirectory web page. Complete display. Install Docker desktop on Windows. First one, Docker desktop for Windows -x86_64. First button, click. Download section lo Docker desktop installer.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 565 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Docker desktop installer file. Select mouse double click. Docker desktop installer window. First button, yes, click. Download folder minimize. Installing Docker desktop. Configuration related to options default set bottom side OK button, click. Docker desktop installation latest version 4.53.0. Unpacking files. Installation succeeded. Close and log out. Blue color button, click. System restart process completed. Docker subscription service agreement window first button, accept, click. Welcome to Docker. Using Docker for works. Login page display. Unnecessary. Skip button, click. Window close. Docker desktop interface maximize. Bottom side first one. Skip button, click. Starting the Docker engine. Your running container show up here. Minimize. Browser open. Google search box lo Airflow Docker compose file. Enter. Enter key press. Official link first section lo display airflow.apache.org. First link, click. Apache Airflow official redirectory web page. Complete display. Running Airflow in Docker. Link section lo scroll down. Fetching docker-compose.yaml file section lo docker-compose.yaml blue color highlighted words, click. Download section lo docker-compose.yaml file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo docker-compose YAML file display. Mouse right click. New option select. Subpanel first one. Folder select. Delete key press. Enter the folder name. Airflow-docker. Enter key press. YAML file select. Mouse right click. First icon cut, click. folder, select open. Mouse right click, first icon, paste click, back arrow click, folder minimize, desktop Windows search box lo enter VS Code. First option, Visual Studio Code, select Visual Studio Code IDE interface complete display, welcome page close, download folder reopen, Airflow Docker folder select, drag and drop in VS Code. First button, yes, I trust the authors. Blue color button click, interface maximize, left side explore window created folder display and file select docker compose.yml file complete script. Airflow -docker folder right side first icon new file click file name enter env enter key press Airflow script enter here. In this video description section pasted this script as it is copy paste here. Top section lo terminal menu click first option new terminal click expand this terminal VS Code minimize Windows search box enter Docker. First option Docker desktop select starting the Docker engine minimize VS Code reopen terminal window enter the Docker run command docker space compose space up space -d enter key press running Airflow scheduler pulling and dependencies files running. Wait and here process completing. Reopen Docker container. Docker desktop backend window first button. Yes click. Airflow Docker started. Browser. Reopen. Top section of address bar. Enter localhost 8080. Enter key press. Username. Enter. Airflow. Second one option password as it same enter Airflow. Blue color button sign in click. OK button click. Second button never click. Apache Airflow home page complete display. Second one icon click docs related created files display. Next icon access Docker. Next VS Code reopen. Enter key press. Create Airflow user using commands. Running. Excited. Page reopen. VS Code reopen. Enter the stop command. Docker compose space down. Enter key press. Removed display.